Rolling through the city, only 4 Giotto, skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Yo, what's up? They're here at it. Alright, check it out. Update because I wasn't able to make it to the show today. Just busy trying to get everything together. I still got a lot of work to do. You can kind of see, oh, look at that. Y'all saw that peel off. I don't know what that was, but I was rushing for the show today, but I just couldn't get it together in time. But I got a pretty good foundation. I'm not worried about having to repaint and all that. I bought an extra thing of paint, so I'm okay. But yeah, just trying something different. I went with the foam approach because I didn't have time to be outside playing with fiberglass and all that stuff. There is glass behind that, but not on the outside, unfortunately. And seeing that I didn't make it removable like I usually do, I usually make a form, mask everything off, fiberglass to that form, and then pull it back, and then pot off that, and then attach that to the actual door. That's my usual method, but this one is a little different. This came out a little better. This side is much cleaner, unfortunately. I wanted this side to be cleaner because that's the passenger side everybody gets in, but I'm playing, so that's all that matters. Then back here looks a little different. I know you guys can see up inside the box a little better. That's because I shortened the port up and just added a couple little touches. Got lights back there now. Well, I've always had lights, but I added a little bit extra light, and I'm gonna be adding more black light, of course. Did it change anything up? Yeah. It's tuned what, 56, I think. I'll post it in the description, but 56, I think it is. So my sealed is responsible for all the lows and everything, and then the upper chamber gives me my upper bandwidth. And of course, I had it tuned lower, and that was kind of messing me up a little bit. But I still liked it, but now it's just a little better. Then, a few things I did. Got a little his and whizzing because I got to reroute this RCA line. It's too close to the power and ground, but I'm living with it for now just to see how things go. 400 by 4, it does decent work. Look at that. Look, in my pocket it goes, in the little bugs. And that's pretty much it. I got another battery strapped in the back. If you guys probably didn't know, everything is fused, of course, except for my amps. I'm working on that, and what I mean by working on that is I have extra fuse holders and fuses, plenty of them, but I've got some things coming out, y'all. I have a fuse holder right here somewhere in this vicinity with some ceramic fuses in there. Make that happen. All the wires going to each and every door speaker was ran from the rear to the front, and thankfully I had that AC line, but now that I have so many wires in there, no more AC to the rear, so it's just a push-pull setup for my cooling back there. But here I have the RS 6.5. This is the RS Neo 6.5. I have both these paired up, 2 ohm on my 400 by 4, and then this is separate on, that's alone and this is alone. So I got 3 wires ran through this boot, which was such a pain. It was a big pain. Oh my goodness. Play a good old-fashioned CD. And I'm gonna chop this up so much, y'all. I'm sorry, but I ain't trying to get no copyrights or nothing like that. So. You know that good old-fashioned famous distance test? Let's do it. And it's got a lot more in it, y'all, believe me. It's only, I actually had to turn that down because it was overpowering me inside the car. It was hurting my ears. Hey, they made the song, not me. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Can y'all hear it over here in the trees? Let me get away from over here. Sasquatch might be up in here. Oh man, I don't know how far that is. Yeah, we doing it. We doing it. I'm happy. But like I said, I can dial it up, but it hurts my ears. That's all.